Well, there are 3 reasons, but one reason is the most. Reason number 1, in your underwear. You don't have to put on clothes. It's kind of cool. And if you want to go to the store or the mall, you kind of have to put on clothes or you're going to get arrested in most countries. So, you like it because you don't even have to put on your clothes. You don't have to do your hair. You don't have to do your makeup. Awesome. Good for you. That's one reason that you love Amazon. Reason number 2, you don't have to drive anywhere. You don't have to go and find it that this place is out and then drive somewhere else and find it that they're out of the thing, go somewhere else. You don't have to go to multiple different places. You don't even have to leave your house. You're able to get almost anything you want on Amazon. So you're really happy about that. The third reason that you love Amazon is because when you jump on Amazon and you see a product that you haven't bought before, you have the ability to see what other people think about it. This is the social proofing. This is where when you're on Amazon, you actually go and look up the ratings and reviews of different products. Oh, well, this one has 3,000 reviews and it scores a 4.5. This one has 2 reviews and it scores a 5. Which one are you going to pick? The one that has thousands of reviews and is a 4.5. You're not going to pick the one with 2. Whether it's a 1-star review, a 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, or even 5-star, if it only has 2 people that have ever said anything about it, you can't trust that. So you love Amazon as the third reason. Yeah, you can do it in your underwear. You don't have to drive anywhere. So you can accomplish more. But also because you can see what other people think about it. What have other people said about it? Is it soft? Is it cozy? Is it warm? Does it last? Does it have the right chemicals that does the right thing? Or can you microwave it? Or will it break if you do this? How strong is it? How long does it last? All of that stuff that you want to know, you can find out because of the ratings and reviews. So remember that with your listener. They like podcasts because they can do it in their underwear. They like podcasts because they don't have to go anywhere. Or they can do it on their drive, but they also want to know your podcast because they want to know what other people are saying about it, what other people have said. If you have 2 reviews, 50 reviews, 3,000 reviews, they're able to get a real good idea if they should even spend their time, effort, or money on this product, services, or podcast. So I want you to just remember, although some people say reviews are meaningless, they don't contribute, they're absolutely wrong. We make our decisions based on the social proofing of other people that have taken that product, that service, that podcast. That when I'm trying to watch movies on Amazon Prime or Netflix or whatever, when I'm trying to watch movies or shows, I'm sorry, but I like to pick the top 10. I'm sorry, but I'm just telling you, if it's popular and lots of people are listening to it, that social proof gets me hard. I go to it and I'm like, oh, well, everybody seems to like this one. It's one of the top 10 right now. I should listen to it too. Or I'll look up a movie and it gets a 2.5 stars and I see that 3,000 people have rated it. I'm not going to waste my time watching that movie. I'm sorry. If most people that I got in that product or service or podcast or movie, if most people think that it's less than a 3, less than a C average, why would I waste my time and energy? And that's the same thing for your people. If you want to make sure that they can pull up your podcast and see if it's worth a darn, you've got to have ratings and reviews. And this